Hello friends. Now this is a relatively easy problem. Only thing is you need to apply a trick to solve this problem. So you have to find the value of this term. You have a square root and this is 5, and then you have another square root, and inside this square root you have 5, then again another square root 5, another square root 5, and this process goes on, and this goes to up to infinity. Then you have to find what is the value of this expression. Now how will you find this value? Basically you can find this value only if these are tending to some, or you can say these are converging to some value. So these are converging basically. So let us try to see how we can find this value. So you have a square root, and inside this square root you have 5, then you have another square root 5, another square root 5, another square root 5. So this process is going on. So let us say this value is x, and now I am going to use a trick, and this trick is very important. Now see, this is an infinite process, so this is going up to infinite. This means if I consider this term, only this part, this means if I leave one of the 5 or one of the root, then what can you say about this term, that is the left term? This is again x, because this also contains infinite numbers of terms. You see, in the previous case and in this case, only difference we have, that is there is one more 5 in the original term, in the original x. Now if I remove this term, then I have this part, that is this part. This is also x, because in infinite terms, even if you remove one term, it does not matter. So this means this is also x. So this is the key step to solve this problem. So I can say this is a square root 5. So this is a square root, let me use the black pen. So this is a square root of 5, and this term is x. So this is 5 times x is equals to x. Now it is easy. You simply square both sides. So now if you square both sides, what you have? You will have here, that is this side you will have 5x, and this side you will have x square. So if you take x square to the left hand side, this becomes 5x minus x square is equals to 0, and if you take x common, this is 5 minus x is equals to 0. This means either x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 5. X cannot be 0 because you have finite, or you can say you have a number, a square root of a number. This can never be 0. So this is not a possible solution. So in this case, x is equals to 5 is the solution. So I can say this square root term will converge to one value, and that value is 5. If you consider infinite number of terms, the final value will be 5. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching the video. I will see you in the next video.